Understanding the CEFR levels. The CEFR, or Common European Framework of Reference, is the gold standard for assessing language proficiency in Europe. It breaks down into 6 levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. A1 and A2 are beginner levels. B1 and B2 are intermediate, and C1 and C2 are advanced. A1, beginner. At A1, you can introduce yourself, ask basic questions, and understand slow, clear speech.
Wie heißt du?
Ich heiße Anna. Can you understand familiar everyday expressions? Can you interact if the other person speaks slowly? A2, elementary. At A2, you can talk about routine tasks, family and shopping. You also understand simple directions. Was hast du gestern gemacht?
Ich war im Supermarkt.
Can you describe your background in simple terms? Can you handle short social exchanges? B1, intermediate. At B1, you can talk about your experiences, dreams, and give reasons for opinions. Warum lernst du Deutsch?
Ich möchte in Deutschland arbeiten.
Can you understand the main points of clear standard speech? Can you describe experiences and events? B2, upper intermediate. At B2, you can understand complex texts and interact fluently with native speakers.
Was denkst du über erneuerbare Energien?
Ich finde sie wichtig für die Zukunft.
Can you present arguments for or against a point of view? Can you understand TV news and simple technical discussions? C1, advanced. At C1, you can express yourself fluently and understand implicit meanings. Wie interpretierst du das Ende dieses Buches?
Es spiegelt die gesellschaftlichen Konflikte wider.
Can you use language flexibly for social, academic, and professional purposes? Can you produce clear, well-structured text on complex subjects? C2, Proficiency. At C2, you can understand everything you hear or read effortlessly and express yourself spontaneously. Wie würdest du diesen philosophischen Ansatz beschreiben?
Er basiert auf einer tiefen Reflexion der menschlichen Existenz.
Can you summarize information from different spoken and written sources? Can you reconstruct arguments coherently? Self-assessment quiz. Answer these quick questions to estimate your level. Can you introduce yourself and ask basic questions? Can you handle travel-related conversations? Can you discuss your opinions on familiar topics? Can you follow extended speech and complex texts? Can you express ideas fluently without searching for expressions? Can you summarize information from multiple sources effortlessly? So, did you find your level? Remember, language learning is a journey, and knowing your level is just the start. Comment below with your level and what you want to improve next. Don't forget to like and subscribe.